My name is Brandon Holstein, and we're here at the Speed Merchant headquarters in Signal Hill. We do a lot of custom aftermarket parts for Harley-Davidsons, specializing in Sportsters, FXRs, Dynas, you name it. What we did with Sam was he brought us this stock Sporty, and we just kind of, without going too far outside of the box, we brought the sport back into the Sportster. So what we have here is a 2003 Sportster, so it's an anniversary edition, which is really cool. We kind of did our little twist to it, sort of a hooligan-ish, flair. We laced up a set of Sun aluminum rims on here, some custom rear sets. We utilized the tail section with a Saddleman. They made us a custom seat for it. Got some tall Gears Racing shocks, a custom number plate up front, some moto bars with some pullback risers. And then we got it sprinkled with a few of our products on here, like our foot pegs, our grips, and then obviously a custom paint job.
So the reason we're doing the giveaway is because it's a shame to just have her parked in the garage, and she was built to go on adventures, and that's what our brand's all about. It's about exploration and passion for nature, passion for exploring, passion for finding the next perfect wave. And so I really wanted to do this sweepstakes through our brand. Hopefully the next owner is able to take her on more surf adventures.